and that was our trip. I want to thank you for watching all the videos. These are my final thoughts of our trip. A, had a great time. B, price-wise. To add deluxe dining to our reservations, it cost an extra $1,900, of which we spent $1,864.76. So the majority of that. We also skipped 2 meals and had one at the Pop that should have been at somewhere a little bit more expensive. That happened either because there was so much food that we weren't hungry, and as for the case for the lunch of the day we left, we had that at the Pop instead of at Morimoto because we were just so tired we wanted to sleep in and not get up any earlier than we had to. So what I've decided after having these days is I need to change our touring plan and add an extra couple days for rest in between parks because going park, 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 park 6 days in a row is just way too much to do. Food wise, it's too much food this time. With the deluxe, where we didn't have a problem in '08, we did have problems with that this year. So we will be doing a different dining plan the next time we go. I also forgot to include one video from World Showcase, so here's that and the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching and have a nice day.